This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so yesterday we discussed that Groovy scripting pipeline means pipeline because we are creating the pipeline. So using Groovy scripting in Jenkins tools which we are using. So this thing, right? So JDK 1.8 Maven 3 pipeline. If you go here, so manage Jenkins. Global tool configuration. So here I given 1.8. Okay. So here, for example, if you give something like my Java or Java something, just give whatever you okay. So you will name here. So same thing, just give here 1.8 something. And this I given 1.8. Okay, so that's why. So in tools also I given the 1.8. 1.8. So here for Maven I given so some 3.48. Same thing. We come down. So Maven also I given 3.4. So if you use something else or my Maven or Maven 123 something, just give same that ID here, same ID in your Groovy script also. Okay, in Groovy script also. So these are our Nexus environment variables. Okay, so Nexus version, the protocol. So this is my Nexus URL, the Nexus repo. Okay, so release all those other stuff under. So Nexus credentials ID. So Nexus credentials ID means, so here, right, we will create credentials, right? We go here, go manage Jenkins, configure, manage Jenkins, so configure system. So here we will mention that ID name. So when okay, we will give username and password. Nexus. Here, right. So when you are creating, so here we will use an example. Okay. So here you will give username and password. Here you give ID, some whatever name. Okay, or give some ID. Nexus 123, Nexus demo, just something. Okay, just give ID, same ID. Okay, so use here that ID. Okay, just okay, use here. So in my case, I given Nexus 1, I think so. I'm canceling. So I given Nexus 1. I given Nexus 1. So I'm using the Nexus 1. So group ID already we discussed. So okay, they are ready in repository. So we will get the group ID and artifact ID. So which file you're going to upload? So type jar or where something. State, okay, stages. This is the I'm including here. Some stage here. Okay, some step under command. Under command, I'm cloning here. Then build. So in steps, I'm using the Maven command. Already yesterday we discussed this thing, right? So any questions here? Gaurav, Revati?
No.
Okay. Just will execute. We'll see. So here you can use two types. One is pipeline script. Yes. So here you can copy paste your code. So otherwise we can call from the SEM. So that I will show you later. Just save it. Just build. So just you can see. Okay, build number one. Okay. Where here it will display, right? Not display here. Okay, let's see. Just wait for few minutes. Okay, it will come next stage. And you can see the console output also. These are all the builds, right? No, best text on the this type or something. So you install Nexus in your servers. Anyone?
No, Ram, not installed. It has
So if you install,
single CPU.
we can. Okay. If you install, we can execute in your servers. So my server is very slow. I don't. Actually, in progress. Okay. Which one? One code is in progress. There you install Nexus in your servers.
No, Ram.
Okay. So if you install Nexus, we can execute in your server. It will not take this much time. Mr. Jenkins, right? Is working your Jenkins? Gaurav, Parvati?
Yeah, Ram, Jenkins was working for me last time.
Yeah, for me too, it's working.
So if it's working, okay, just install Nexus. We'll try in your server. I think we'll just do two commands, right, to install the Nexus. It will not take this much time. But,
For her also, I think it won't work, Ram, because it won't install in one CPU servers.
yes, it will. I think it
It
will
went
need it needs multiple CPUs.
correct.
Mm. So I open new account. In new account, I'm unable to use multiple CPUs. I can use only one CPU. They use only one CPU.
Give me 1 minute. Let me try to spin new server.
Okay. I think it will not take this much time. It takes this much time now. CPU issues or memory issues. Okay, so those things. Run down.
Ram, T2 medium should be good, right?
T2.
T2 medium.
T2. See at least two CPUs.
Or
There you can check two CPUs. Take
it's
two
2 CPU.
CPUs. Okay,
It's
then
2
fine.
CPU, 4 GB memory.
Okay, fine. Okay, again I'm executing here, so we'll see now. Okay, it is taken time because that CPU issue. Okay, so CPU and the issues on. Okay, anyway, so this coding, right, I will give you, just you can execute it from your end. Otherwise just install, okay, the Nexus and all. We'll try in your system.
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Going on. So it's launching, it's pending. Uh, yeah, I think it's running. So what you will need, Ram?
Just install Jenkins.
Okay.
Just update your server system, then install Jenkins and Nexus.
I'm just updating OS.
here, right? Okay, so if you see here, it looks like here. Okay, so in my case, okay, in last stage, published to Nexus is failed because of the CPU issue only, CPU something issue only. If everything is fine, right? So yeah, all stage will be success. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the one thing. Otherwise, right? So okay, so we can call that code from the GitHub also. So in GitHub, I'll save in my my code at GitHub. Edit. Just paste. Just save your code to GitHub. Okay. The file name should be the Jenkins file only. So if you give something else, a demo or test or something, it will not work. Okay. The file name should be the Jenkins file only. So, in Jenkins file, save your code and commit. Okay. So next, into here, configure. Just you can edit your code. That settings. So here select pipeline script from SCM. So SCM, so Git, in my case Git, repository URL. So in your project URL. So credentials. Okay. If you don't have any credentials, then credentials, what credentials I'm using here? Okay, I think I didn't. So here I create the credentials. Okay, you all token all the stuff on that. So I will create quickly. Some just I will create quickly. So Okay, so what I will do, so this keys I will copy to my settings. Here, so go settings, key accessories keys, and maybe okay. Also done. So here I'll just create your credentials. Git master branch only. Git, okay. Script path Jenkins file. Just save it. Just simple. Just I'm calling just I'm referring my GitHub path or Jenkins file. Okay, Revati, Gaurav.
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah.
Just build. Okay. If build starts, I think it will work. Okay. So either the production is 100%. Okay. So we'll call from the CM. We'll store all our code in the Jenkins file. So we'll call Jenkins files. Okay. Jenkins file only. So okay, directly we will not mention our the Groovy code here in Jenkins. We'll store in the GitHub in Jenkins file. The file's name should be the Jenkins file only. So we should not give something test demo or something else. Okay. The file name should be the Jenkins file. Just we will call the Jenkins file. So it's failed. You see here, it failed. Maybe here it is showing success only. No, it's three build number 3. It's still running. Same issue. Yeah. We need at least 2 CPUs for this. Okay. Go, your server is ready. If it's ready now, we will test in your server.
I installed Jenkins, but I'm not able to access that. Just trying that.
Okay.
It's enabled. I can see status also. It's active and running. It's not connecting at all.
So I opened new account. In new account, I unable to use multiple CPUs. So I can use only one CPU. They restrict. Don't know. And I raise request also. Revati, just install that Nexus in your server also. Okay. At least for tomorrow, we will try in your server.
Okay, Ram.
Just increase that instance, change instance type, increase the CPUs, and install the Nexus. Okay.
Ram, you want to check my server?
Sorry.
You want to check my server? I just installed it, but only thing is it's not taking it. I'm not able to access Jenkins. The Jenkins URL, right? It says this site can't be reached. But Jenkins is yeah, Jenkins is running. Port 8080 is also occupied.
Just refresh and just we'll see.
Or I can stop and start again Jenkins maybe. I think something has been changed. It came up last time in one shot.
See, your account is valid account, right? No issues fine, right, in your account?
Account wise, I don't see any issue.
Okay.
Because if I'm able to access through Putty, right, then account should be fine, right? There shouldn't be any restriction.
Yes. Anyway, so here you can see, okay. So okay, so here, right, if you see my screen, if you see my screen, right, so here I'm calling that code from the GitHub. You can see all my stages. So anyway, the Nexus failed because of the CPU only. Yeah. But here it like that, so you can call your code from the SEM or directly you can put here in Jenkins and you can connect with them. So here you can see so okay, so here all the steps executed except Nexus. Why? Because maybe the CPU issue only. Okay, but Javati, Gaurav. So at least for tomorrow, right, I will fix it and I'll show you the all steps successful for next, at least next class.
Yeah.
Sure.
So that is the one thing, right? So one more thing, right? So I'll show you that whole SCM under. Okay. So here already it was GitHub hook trigger poly SCM. So GitHub hook trigger means okay already okay. So whenever there is new changes in my GitHub, automatically my Jenkins job will trigger. Poly SCM means here we can define some time. Okay, what I will do, I will define some time here. So for example, every minute. Okay, so already we saw this thing, right? The poly SCM. So last time. Okay. So I will try GitHub hook trigger. So if you want to use the GitHub hook trigger, so here also we have to configure. Go GitHub, go your project. The project you are using. Go settings in your project. So here you can see webhooks. Yeah, already is there. So if you want to add or you can edit, edit here. You can see. Over here, queue your server. Here your Jenkins server name, or IP address with port number slash GitHub open webhook slash. The remaining just leave it same thing. Leave it as it is. Update. It's updated only. Now what I will do, I will go my Jenkins job. Just I'll change something. Okay. So go in. Don't take any one test file. Something okay. So edit something. Just to do something in any changes in the project and commit. Okay. I'll see. You can see here. You can see my screen. The job number 4 is okay. You saw the change, Gaurav, Revati. I didn't trigger the job number 4. So job number 4 I didn't trigger here. Okay, so just I changed something. I changed some content. Means I update some new stuff in the my Jenkins job. So automatically my job number 4 is triggered. Gaurav, Revati, you observed that one?
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah.
So let it become complete this thing. Again I saw you. Just let it become complete this thing. So that's what I will do. Again I will change here. So you can see now job number 4. You can see here also. So you can job number 4. So what I will do, I'll go to my GitHub, my project. Just something, whatever, some changes, some new changes. Some new changes. So just commit. Once commit, come to Jenkins. Come to Jenkins. Wait. So here we will expect job 5, right? Because job 4 still is in progress. Maybe that's why job 5 is not triggered. Here, right? Job 4 is in progress. So that's why job 5 is not triggered. Okay, so we have to wait. So until job 4 is completed. So then only job 5 will trigger. Just I'm canceling this one. I'm canceling this one. So it will take some time. So okay, just try all these things are okay. So without fail. Okay. If you have any issues now, just let me know. I will help you. Okay. This is very important things. Still it is in progress. Yeah. Yeah. See, still it is running only. So you observed right before. Okay. It started at job number 4. So when I committed new things right in my project, okay, automatically job number 4 is triggered. Okay. I go to any other job. We'll see. Wait it. Not reachable. So Gaurav, you observed that one. You didn't observe that one. When I committed new things in my GitHub, automatically job number 4 triggered.
No, I think I missed it. I'm just checking why this thing is not working.
I'll show you once again then. Okay, sorry. No. Okay, Gaurav, now see my screen. Okay, so I will show you now again. Gaurav,
Yeah.
just see my screen. Now, right? So now, okay, my bill number 4, right? Anyway, here, right? So that right, to install, okay, clone, include, build, test, deploy. Okay, so everything is possible except this Nexus. Why? Because the CPU only. Okay, so here what I will do again, I will go to my GitHub, okay, my project. Okay, so just change something, anything. Okay, so comma, full stop, or create any new test file for demo purpose. Give some new stuff. So okay, once done, just commit. So commit. So here, right, if you see my last job number is 4. My last job number is 4, right? If I commit my changes in my GitHub, automatically job 5 will trigger. Go to GitHub. So just commit. Come to Jenkins. So you can see, okay, automatically. So my job number 5 is triggering. Okay, Gaurav, Revati.
Yeah. Ram, can you share the code whatever you have?
Okay,
I'll try.
yeah, I will. So can I share here only in chat?
Yeah, anything is fine.
Through mail.
Anything is fine.
Okay. Okay. Here your IP numbers or all those stuff under your credit ID, IP address. The change here. Okay, right. So that is the get. Okay, webhook trigger. Policy is okay. So there we can define the some timing or some timing. Okay. So for example, every minute, or some. So on that time, okay. So my Jenkins will check with the GitHub. On that time, is there any new changes, a new code? Then my job will trigger. Okay. So any other questions, Gaurav, Revati? So this job, right? I will show you definitely. Okay. So the successful job. Okay. Apart from this, any questions?
No, Ram.
Okay, so this is the one thing. The parameter rates. Tomorrow I will show you the parameter triggering. Like kind of variables. There we can define some parameters. So through parameters we can trigger the jobs. That I will show you tomorrow. Okay, if anything, okay, so nothing. Just then we can close the call. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, Ram.
Revati, please install that. Okay, so access all the stuff and all. Just try to increase CPUs and install Jenkins and Nexus. Okay, so and try to just try to practice this stuff. If any questions now, just let me know. I will help you.
Sure, Ram.
Okay. Thanks, Gaurav. Thanks, Revati. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, Ram. Bye.
Thanks. Thanks, Saviti. Bye.